Winner's mindset, guys, is extremely important to have for each one of us. That mindset. It's extremely important for our self-esteem, हमारे आत्मसम्मान को बनाए रखने के लिए, हमारी उपलब्धियों को बनाए रखने के लिए एक विनर्स माइंडसेट होना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. Just in case if you haven't achieved what you wanted to in your life, then this video is meant for you. And in case if you have already achieved and if you want to achieve much more than what you have achieved, then certainly this video is for you, guys. Envisioning yourself winning every time is extremely important, and this is possible only through continuously giving positive affirmations to yourself, to your subconscious mind. You need to make sure that you develop that unshakable confidence, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. You need to make sure that you set the bar for yourself, you get the ball rolling for yourself. You need to develop that bloody immovable, undeterred, unshakable confidence in you so that you can get into that zone of being a winner. So guys, if you are looking for achieving what you want to, if you want to achieve your targets, your goals, set these affirmations. Make sure you listen to those affirmations every single day. Draft your mind, curate your mind, craft your mind, sculpt your mind to just positive affirmations every single day, probably multiple times in a day, and just see the magic the universe unfolds for you. So here comes those list of affirmations. I am the architect of my life. I built its foundation and will choose its contents. I am making a beautiful life for myself. I am a winner. Everything I set my mind to, I can achieve. I win at everything and I win all the time. Winning is a choice that I make for myself, and I choose to win all the time. I am learning something new every day. My ability to learn is improving every day. Every time I fall, I know how to get back up. I get back up and work hard, and I work harder, and I work the hardest. I am the hardest worker in the room, and therefore success is inevitable. I'm exactly where I need to be, and I'm only getting better. My success is on its way. I'm getting better and better. Whatever I believe in, I can make it possible. I can do whatever I set my mind to. If problems ever come my way, the solution is just round the corner. I face life with pride because I am a winner. I control my emotions, they do not control me. The mistakes I made yesterday make me a brilliant person I am today. Lastly, nothing is impossible for me. I can do it, I am doing it, and I will keep on doing it because I am a winner. If you do like this video, ensure that you click the like button, share it, and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.